Alright guys, Mike Bryan here again. This lady comes in and says that she hears a noise in the morning, sometimes when she starts up. She did have a oil light on, which we're going to show you later on what she has on the oil light. But one thing that the problem that she was listening to is actually the water pump. Can you hear that? Well, I can't see all the way in there. Yeah, you can see it moving right there. See how that? It's not my hand, guys. It's the actual water pump. Let's see if we get a better look over here. No, we can't see it back there. But that is the part that the bearing inside the water pump that's making it move like that. And maybe if I keep my mouth shut, you can hear the knock, 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 knock. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I'm going to do the same thing with the new water pump on, and you guys get to see the difference. Later on, I'll get a video of the oil pressure sending unit, and I'll see you on the high side. Be safe. It's raining in San Antonio right now.